Hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and look what I have, a chart with the Suzuki rhythms, twinkle variations, whatever you want to call them. So, let's introduce them. So in the last video, we talked about how to play Twinkle, right, using our fingers and what strings. We're going to be doing the A string for this one, okay, and I'll do D later. Fine. So if you want to do the playthrough and you understand all of these rhythms and want to play with me, fast forward, so when you see the sign disappear, that's when we're going to be playing together, okay? But for now, let me introduce this for those who don't know yet, right? So we have A, B, C, D, E. So we have 5 Suzuki rhythms. Don't ask why they're not numbered. They are lettered. I don't know. All right, but here it is. And then we also end with a theme. So if we can do them all, twinkle this, twinkle that, twinkle this, twinkle this, twinkle this, and twinkle this, we pass the Twinkle Tour, which means we play Twinkle 6 different ways, and you're set up like amazingly well if you can make it through all of that, okay? So it's a challenge. So here we go. Let's introduce the rhythms, okay? So here we are. Variation A, okay? Mississippi hot dog. Variation B, soda sh pop. Variation C, down river, up river. D has 2 triplets, butterfly, butterfly. E is our busiest one, watermelon, watermelon. All right? So, part of the reason why I wrote this theme out here is you can see there's 2 quarter notes, A, and then E, 1, 1. You get the idea, right? 2 quarter notes. So, every time that we change the pitch in Twinkle, we do another one of these rhythms, okay? So, we're going to stick with A, then stick with B. So, example, A string, Mississippi hot dog. E string, Mississippi hot dog 1, Mississippi hot dog 0, Mississippi hot dog. You got it? So, and so on. And then we're going to do Twinkle with B, Twinkle with C, D, E, and then end with the theme. It's a workout, all right? Are you ready to work out with me? Here we go. All right, so I'm going to do a descending scale and lead you in. Okay, so I'll give you the introduction. That'll tell you the rhythm too. Here we go. A, Mississippi hot dog. Oh, make sure you start with your elbow at a corner. Right angle, right angle. I call this the square. Do you see that? Okay, and we're going to open and close our elbow. Okay, so we can try to keep as straight bows as possible. It's great practice. Here we go. Variation A, Mississippi hot dog. Ready, play. Mississippi hot dog. Echo. Quiet. Loud. B, soda pop. Ready, play. Soda pop. Variation C, down river, up river. Down river, up river. Variation D, butterfly, butterfly. Ready, set, play. Butterfly, butterfly. Variation E, watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon, watermelon. Theme. Play. Rest position. That is a bow. All right, how did you do? Did you make it?